Hello friends, we just stopped here on airport highway next to Keflavik to show you the eruption from Keflavik, how it looks from the city. This is what people see from Keflavik. This is the town of Keflavik. And here you have the volcano erupting. And nobody is stopping to see it, or just people just drive by, you know. It's just everyday view now for weeks, for 2 weeks. This is what you see when driving a car. It's became part of living here in Iceland. It's just a routine view, you know, that you wake up to every day to, you know. It's quite special. So I'm heading there actually. I will be there with a drone in a moment. And we will film it and post it on YouTube, so you will see what is happening there. But for now, this is the view I have from Keflavik Highway, Airport Highway. You see the flybus is going to the airport. Flybus taking people to the international airport. This is the flybus coming from Keflavik. This is also a flybus carrying passengers who just arrived to Iceland, and they are seeing this, what we see now. A lot of steam, a lot of smoke. Okay, this is the view that I wanted to show you from Keflavik Highway. This is what we see. All the best.